So there are many relationships between AI and yacht building and yachts in general. As you might guess, the most hot topic is autonomous yachts. Yachts similar to autonomous vision and autonomous cruising, what Tesla is offering right now in their cars. So this is still quite far. We've actually signed a small agreement with our American client that mentions that we can install some LiDAR integrated with the radars and all the other sensors on board and integrated with the AMS alarm monitoring system. This means that you have 3D visuals around the yacht and all the 3D points and all the 3D environment up to 500 meters. And when you have it integrated with the radar on board, you have a huge 3D environment plus 2D after 500 meters. So this actually is the first step of what autonomous yachts can enable in their infrastructures. Having these infrastructure doesn't mean that you actually completed this. This means you now have the data, which is also the most crucial part. So you have to start with the computer vision algorithms, subdivide these data and train it in a huge model powered by huge and powerful GPUs. And then you have the first beta model that you can use in autonomous cruising and autonomous yachts. In our agreement with the client, we signed it, but due to unfortunate circumstances, we didn't have enough time to complete that part of the project, and we didn't actually charge it. It was free of charge since it's a test project. We didn't even charge it, but the client liked it, so that's important. So that we in the future we can have more clients asking these autonomous features. And in this project particularly, we were just interested in installing LiDARs and integrated with the AMS module, and then provide some collision avoidance algorithms, as well as gathering data so that we can train our models more and more in the future. This is, I think, the most hot topic in the AI/yacht building and yachts in general. The second step in the whole AI world is robotics. Robotics is coming certainly after NLP and all the transformer architecture-based models coming. When I say robotics, I mean humanoid robotics is the end. We're going to see more and more of these humanoid robotics from all around the world. There are going to be lots of prototypes that are trying to do welding, trying to carry packages, boxes, and deliver small tasks in a factory or in a small shipyard. So you actually have a huge ecosystem. So when you have a humanoid robots all around the shipyard, you have a huge ecosystem. Workers that don't get tired, don't have emotions. They just have one goal, and it's to complete the task, and safety problems are eliminated. The productivity level goes insane. This is, I think, and this is coming. This is not far, and I think this is going to happen in our lifetime. So we have to make sure that Turkey is in a good position when this happens. I think it's possible that we should focus on this part of the AI and robotics that are developing humanoid robots. The other thing that can be used in the shipyards and AI yacht building is that agent-based project managers. This means project managers that are gathering data all around that are maybe powered by an NLP, strong NLP, something like GPT-4 and 4 or 5. And G5 is coming by the end of 2024. You can have agent-based project managers. This means project managers that can schedule, that can write emails, that can ask people what to do and when to buy, what to buy. A huge ERP project managers. There are some startups doing this, but after agent-based models becoming more and more available from companies like OpenAI and Google and Meta, everyone can train their own model and use it locally. Meta released Llama 3 models. This is more becoming available all around the world. So agent-based models that are project managers that can do strategic analysis and strategic decision making is a huge plus, in not just in shipbuilding and yacht building, but all around the ERP required businesses. The other thing that is interesting is, and that is very simple to do, is employee efficiency detection. There are many AI systems that can detect the employee efficiency, meaning if an employee is smoking cigarette when he or she could do a work. Is he doing a work that is interested in him? Is he doing the work in a correct way? Is he doing in compliance with the safety regulations? And what are the heat map in shipyards? How about the logistics? Is it working? These questions can be answered with an AI system detector that is working synonymously with all the security cameras and all the ERP systems in a company. This can surely be applied to shipbuilding industry, where there are a lot of workers, tens of thousands, in places like Tuzla and Yalova. This can be used to improve the overall shipyard efficiency. In industries as intense as yacht building, time management is very difficult. It's one of the most crucial parts that makes the yacht valuable. It takes a minimum 24 months to complete a yacht from scratch. If you want a brand new yacht, brand new design, brand new model and engineering, this sometimes can take a bit longer. So you're talking about 2 years and more. Sometimes clients don't want to wait. AI involvement would surely improve the time management as well as quicker deliveries of these yachts. And now we kind of see that these AI involvements in these time management issues will surely decrease the conflicts between humans and improve all aspects of efficiency. As some of you may be familiar with Mengi's history, we were founded in 1964 by Ramazan Mengi, who's my grandfather, and I'm actually carrying the same name. So that's a lot of responsibilities. But the second generation, my father, Hussein Mengi, and all the other partners brought Mengi to this level. As third generation, we're starting to take over some of the small departments and projects that are coming and establish some new departments and new business ideas. All this coming from an experience and all this coming from human level intelligence, not an AI. So as AI is taking all over the industries and all over the jobs that we're currently doing, it's kind of scary to assume that AI will take over everything. Human involvement in some of the fields and some of the yacht building can be precious after some time, but we're going to see if it can be discriminated or not. If a data, if a design, or if an engineering is really generated by an AI or human, discrimination will be difficult, surely, but I think it's safe to say that AI will not take over anything. It's just going to be a unification with humans and AI. So involvement from both sides and using each other wisely will surely improve the design process, building process, and engineering process of all the products, including ships and yachts and cars and all the other sub-level products. AI involvement will make the human-built products and yachts more valuable. When a tailor-made suit comes more appealing to us compared to a factory-made suit, I would assume that you would choose the tailor-made since it's more valuable and it's made by a human. And I think it's the same thing for yachts and ships. If it's made by a human, if it's welded by a human, it will become more precious. Human involvement in any product will make the product more authentic and overall more valuable.